Hi, so Darktable is actually a software for post-processing photos. However, you can use it to post-process any image, and today I'm going to use it to edit this drawing I've made. So we'll select it in the light table, select the image, and go to Darkroom. Now this is just my personal workflow, which you can save as a style or a preset. But for me, I like to go into Base, go to Base Curve, right-click Base Curve, click Rico Like, and change Preserve Colors to either Sum or Norm RGB. This is what they look like. For this one, I'm going to use Norm RGB because the background is white and we don't want it to be too gray. Now we can go into Tone. We can select Tone Curve. I like to do Contrast Compression and Preserve Colors to Max RGB. And then we're going to basically duplicate this effect by going into RGB Curve and also right-clicking and selecting Contrast Compression and setting Preserve Colors to Max RGB. If you don't like the saturation of this, you can change it back to None. And then go into, I think it's in Color, you go to Velvia. Select that and change the strength of the saturation of some of the tones. You can double click to reset to its default value. There are tons of options in Darktable for several different both effects and just basic post-processing. You can change exposure. You can obviously change the white balance because it's made for photos. You can use the color lookup table and change the brightness and saturation of certain colors themselves. There are a lot of options in Darktable for post-processing, and for illustrations, it can give a really interesting final touch to it. Finally, we're going to want to export this, and we're going to make sure that profile is sRGB because we're uploading this digital art for the internet. And we'll click export, and it will export it, and there you have it. This image now looks very different from it did initially. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.